Aloha! I am Coach Niko and we are in the kitchen once again, and in this video we're making tacos. A simple, easy, affordable meal for the entire family. You may be asking me, Coach Niko, I already know how to make tacos. My family eats them all the time. Well, what if I told you we can make them a little bit healthier that's not going to clog your arteries with lots of cholesterol and damage your endothelial cells? Tacos is one of my favorite meals, and I like to make it in 3 different ways. The first style tacos that we're going to make are diced bell peppers. The second way that I love to make my tacos is with steak. And by steak, I mean steak mushrooms. And the third way is going to be with tofu. And that tofu is going to give you a chicken style. We're also going to make a salad or salsa type that's going to go along with our tacos. To make sure we hit all those check boxes that we can on Dr. Greger's Daily Dozen, I'm going to add all the vegetables that I have here with me tonight. Let's make the salsa. I'm going to first put in my diced tomatoes, followed by my diced onions. Then I'm going to add a little bit of white cabbage. Cabbage is a great cruciferous vegetable. If you're wondering what else you can do with cabbage, check out my video, Coach Niko's Israeli Breakfast. And then I'm going to add in my parsley, add in some kale, and last add in some lettuce. I'm going to mix this up. And now I'm going to put this to the side and leave it there while we get ready to make the tofu, beans, bell peppers, and mushrooms. So first I'm going to take a little bit of my olive oil spray and just briefly spray the pans, just because I don't want it to stick. But again, you want to use the least amount of oil possible so that you avoid all that excess fat, because oil is 100% fat. So let's go ahead and turn the skillet on to medium-high, and let's start with the tofu. So I'm going to go ahead and toss in the tofu, and while that's going, I'm going to go ahead and toss in the mushrooms. And next, I'm going to toss in those peppers. Tofu is a great substitute for chicken. Tofu is also a phytoestrogen, which is going to strengthen your bones and also help prevent from those hormone-causing cancers like breast cancer. Black beans are one of my favorite type of beans. It's very high in protein and iron, so it's going to give you that strength and endurance that you need. They're also great for your digestive tract to improve your gut, so black beans are always an essential. Now that the tofu is halfway there, I'm going to add the spices. So I'm going to add a little cayenne pepper to give it a little bit of kick, as well as some paprika. And then stir it up. Peppers are a great addition for your tacos. It's always great to eat as many colors of the rainbow as possible when you're eating your meals. These peppers is 3 different colors, 3 different flavors, and a lot of different vitamins and nutrients that are going to boost your immune system. If you're craving that steak taco taste, mushrooms are your best bet. Mushrooms are filled with protein and fiber, not to mention the antioxidant benefits that are going to help boost your immune system. Once the mushrooms are just about ready, we want to add a little bit of cumin. In addition to the cumin, I also like to add a little bit of steak salt. While we wait for this to just finish out cooking, let's go ahead and make the guacamole and finish our salsa. Finishing up the salsa, let's cut some limes and squeeze the lime juice into the salsa. All we got to do now is mix up the salsa. It's ready to go. The last thing we're going to do is make the guacamole. It's not essential, but it's definitely an awesome treat to have on top of those tacos. We're going to cut the avocado in half. Scoop out the parts that maybe are not so good. Avocado is a good fat, but fat nonetheless. So when you're eating it, you want to make sure that you share with everybody and not eat it all to yourself. With my guacamole, I love to add red onion. In addition to the red onion, I'm going to add just a little bit of that steak salt we used earlier. And finish it up with some lemon. And all we have to do now is mash it up. The only thing left is to decide what we're going to put our taco toppings in. We can toast some tortillas, or we can use some lettuce wraps. After all your hard work, it's time to call the family in and feast. So let's go ahead and finish up these tacos, because I don't know about you, but I'm starving. So give it a little extra kick. I like to add a little bit of veganese. It's not the healthiest thing in the world, but it's definitely better for you than regular mayonnaise or any kind of chipotle mayo. And then I like to start with black beans first. You can add whatever you want first. Top it off with some of our salsa. Add a nice dollop of guacamole. And if you want to, you don't have to, but I really love hot sauce, so I'm gonna add just a little bit of Frank's hot sauce. And there you have it, it's dinner time, so let's eat. Looks so good. Delicious. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope it inspired you to make your taco nights a little bit healthier using plants versus animal products. Please mention in the comments below which one is your favorite option, bell peppers, mushrooms, or tofu. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel and click on the bell to be notified the next time a Coach Niko video comes out. Until next time, wishing you and your family a healthy, happy life. Aloha. Hey everyone, be sure to check out my new book, Surf, A Surfer's Bedtime Story, available on Amazon.